Well, I've come out on this fine day today to the seaside, and I'm planning to shoot with my little Konica Pearl. Now that it's back from the repairers, fully functional, it's getting its first proper run out with HP5+. Now I'm surprised at just how dull it is today. Took a meter reading with my iPhone little app on it, and I was getting about sort of 5.6 at a 60th of a second, rating my HP5+ at an exposure index of 320. Now, it's a very, very dull day. I think I need to boost the contrast a little. So I am going to rate the HP5+ at 800, and that's not only going to give me more film speed for hand holding, but it's going to give me that little boost in contrast that I need as well. Well, that was fun for a couple of hours or so. It's actually quite mild. I was a bit overdressed, but yeah, enjoyed myself walking up and down the beach. First real tryout with the Konica since I had it repaired recently. And a few things I noticed, which were good and some bad. First off, the size. I've said it before, say it again, this is absolutely superb to carry around. I had it in a little pouch on my belt, probably about the same sort of bulk as a little 35mm compact. When it's folded up, it's extremely small. Yeah, very, very lightweight as well, and extremely well built. I was typically shooting around about f8 hundredth of a second. Got a bit lighter later on, and I was f11. Yeah, just focus roughly. And worst part of all these things is the terrible squinty little viewfinder. I mean, these things are awful. You're really just getting an approximation of what's in the frame. So it'll be interesting when I get back and I see how much of the image I either cropped out or how much extra space I left in, and then I'll be able to judge it better next time. One thing I did notice is that the shutter release is a little button here, and there's no threaded release. There's no way of putting a cable release in, as far as I know, unless somebody else knows different. So it would be challenging to use it on a tripod for more than you know, a second or so. It's got a little threaded tripod base, so I could actually put it onto a tripod. But I was very pleased with the focusing. I mean, the focusing mechanism now, I mean, I don't know if you can, how close you can see it, but this is absolutely like so smooth now since it's been serviced. And the shutter is extremely good now. Yeah, whole mechanism works beautifully. So no earth-shattering images there, sadly. It's just very much a quick blast with HP5+. Get them back, get them developed. If you've seen them in a video, I hope you like them, and I'll see you again on the next trip.